Aloha everyone. I'm Rick Kirkham of InHomeComputerHelp.com. Yesterday I had an interesting experience. I had to make a house call in Waikiki to disable one of my computer clients' touchpads on his laptop. So the touchpad is kind of like the mouse replacement. It's built into the laptop there. And usually what happens, the way you know that you need to disable it is if you're typing something like an email or something like that, and you look up and all of a sudden you're on a completely different line, or the emails may be completely closed or something like that, you're probably resting the palms of your hand on the touchpad. So if you have a mouse, then that can be disabled and solve that problem. In this case, I tried to describe over the phone. There's usually a key up near the top of the keyboard, and it either will look like a mouse or it will look like a finger touching a square, which is supposed to represent a touchpad. And usually you can tap that key, or you might have to press what's called the function key, which is the FN key, and then tap that key, and that will disable the mouse pad. In this case, when I made the house call, I discovered he did not have a key to disable the touchpad. So I went into the software to disable it, and that's what I want to show you how to do today. So this is a Windows 8.1 computer. In Windows 10, all you have to do is go into Cortana, that little bitty search box in the lower left-hand corner, that's Cortana, and type in the word control, and then wait a couple seconds, and up near the top, you'll see control panel. Okay. Interestingly enough, in Windows 8.1, which is what I'm using here, I can go into this tile, whatever they call it now, the tiles, and I don't have to wait to get the search bar. I can just start typing. So I can type in the word control, and you notice that comes up almost immediately, and what I want is control panel. So let's do that. And then from control panel, now if this looks like this, okay, then just go up to category and click on large icons instead. Sorry about the light behind me there. I've got the light on to try and get better light here so you can see my face for some reason. I don't know who wants to do that, but there it is. Anyway, so you click on large icons, go all the way down here and click on mouse. And then from mouse, go to device settings. I know you're working with the touchpad, but you'll find the touchpad in the mouse settings. And then from there, you see where it says Synaptic Touchpad. You would click on Disable right there, which I'm not going to do because then I'd have to re-enable it. And if this does let me disable it, by the way, which I've yet to try, but I can re-enable it by using the Tab key on my keyboard, which is on my keyboard, it's a arrow left and an arrow pointed right, but it's always on the left-hand side of the keyboard, right above the caps lock key. So I can actually tap my keyboard, and then whenever I get to where I need to get to, I can press Enter, and that's the same thing as using a mouse. So that's all there is to it. Feel free to give me a call if you have any computer problems. I make house calls covering all of Oahu. So that's it for today. It's 4th of July, so happy 4th of July. God bless you, and have fun with your computer.